So basic of Python. What is Python? It is a programming language, computer language. Python is a powerful high level language and it is an interpreted language. Now I will show you what is the difference between interpreter and compiler also while I will run the program. It is widely used general purpose high level programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. Now this question is asked in every paper. In every question paper you will find this question, that is who developed this Python programming language. So this you can mark it, underline it. Next is Python has two basic modes, interactive mode and script mode. Like when I used here ideally, when I will open ideally, you will see this single line by line command I am executing, like print, I am typing here hello. Now this is line by line. So this is called interpreter. Here you can see interpreter is used. So this is an interactive mode. Interactive mode means the result is returned immediately after pressing the enter key. This is interactive mode. And script mode means the file is created and saved. In ideally when you will open, you have to open a new file. Now this is your script mode. Now in script mode you have to save the file. Suppose the same thing I am writing here, print hello. Now you will see it will ask to save. When I will try to execute it, I am trying to execute it. Now here it is asking to save the file. So it is permanently saved in computer. So for this I am writing P1 is already there, P2, P3 I am writing. So P3 is your first file, you have saved it. Now you can see it is showing the output, and here you can see the output screen, and this is your program screen ideally. This is your script mode and the previous one was your interactive mode. So how it looks, you can see here, like this is your interactive mode. Here you are typing the command and you are getting the output. This is your interactive mode. And then your script mode is here. Yes, this is your script mode where you are typing the program and you have to save with the name. You can see at the top here, you can see p3.py. So it has saved. So this is your script mode. Now practically you all know mobile, you will from Play Store, you will install PyDroid 3, you will open and do your work, or you will open Google. In that you will search for Collab, Collab you will search, it will open, and at the bottom you can see, or at the top, code is written. When you type code, I will show you practically how it is to be done. Like suppose I am opening a Google, I am searching here Collab. In mobile also you can do it, Collab. When you will search it, it is showing the first option, you open it and directly you can select here code and you can type the code. Suppose the first one only, and this code, I can type the code here, print hello, print hello, and when you will execute it, it will show the output. But since it is online, it takes little time to show the output. So here you will see it will show the output in this white space. It will show it is executing. It will take some time because it is online. It depends on the speed of your internet, that how much fast it is. Yes, now you can see hello, it is showing. So this is the output. Clear? This is Collab. So mostly the students are using PyDroid 3 or ideally in laptop, and like this you are doing your work. So this is now features of Python. Why Python is so famous these days? Why Python is so famous? Because Python, you can design any web page, you can design any app, you can design any games, your Facebook, your Firefox, means all the new versions of your browsers, all the apps are designed by using Python only. So these are the advantages. So you can download, you can run, and in that Python interpreter line by line as well as the whole program, both are there. Then what is Python? It is a programming language developed by Gerda van Rossum in 1991. Now from here you can download it. You can see here python.org/download. So you can search http://www.python.org and you can download Python. Now how this name Python has been given? There is one serial in BBC TV. There is a comedy series broadcasted from 1969 to 1974. The name of the series is Monty Python's Flying Circus. So from this, the name, the developer has given the name as Python. Now the official sites are these. From python.org you can get everything, the beginner's guide, how to install ideally, means all the programs, everything. Now use of Python. Now this is the best part, that is all the Google apps. You can see all the web developments, Google app engines, search spiders, Facebook, then all the games. AI is completely based on Python only. AI programming, team balancing, score keeping, scripting, in graphics, rendering. So many libraries there of Python, and all this task you can do. Next, characteristics of Python. Already I've seen, rapidly you can develop the programs, and it is both your interpreted and interactive. So that's why Python is so famous. Now characteristics of Python, any platform you can use, in mobile, in Windows, in Linux, in Android, in Mac. So any platform you can use. These are the characteristics. Now why Python only? See, any programming language, if you learn, you can easily program in the other language. Python is free of cost. It is available freely in internet. You can download it. Now the basic programming, computational thinking, once you learn the programming, how to solve a problem, you can do it in C++ also, in Java, in Basic, in any language you can do it. Only you have to learn one. So after learning Python, it will be very easy for you to learn C++ or Java or any other programming language. Now, why Python? Ever changing, computational thinking is more persistent. Means daily you will see some updates of Python, new versions are coming, and it is updated on regular basis. It is free of cost as well as updated on regular basis. So these are all the advantages of Python they have given. Now we will start with the programming. Now you can see all the programs are similar. In Python, the factorial program, in C, the factorial program, in Java, the factorial program, in C++, you will see all the concept, the main logic is similar. Only the input and the output is, that is, some of the keywords are different. Rest keyword like if, here also if else, here also if else, everything is same. So in one programming, if you learn, then easily you can do the other programming also. Now we will start with the programming part. So first, from Play Store, you just install PyDroid 3. Then you open PyDroid 3, or in laptop you open ideally, and you can see this cursor. So here you will start with the programming. Now what all programming you can do in this? First is, simply you can write with print statement any message, hello world or welcome to my first program. So that will be displayed at output. So if you are practicing in mobile, you can type in PyDroid 3 hello world, or you can print welcome to my first program, but it is a string, so it should be in double quotes. So like this you can type print, and then you can type here welcome to my first program. And when you will execute, now in your mobile, in PyDroid, you will see one yellow color arrow is there at the bottom. When you will click that arrow, it will show the output. Here only enter key of laptop or desktop you have to press. Now welcome to my first program. So this is any message you can print using the print built-in statement. So here we are using this print built-in statement. Next is declaring and defining a variable. Any variable, suppose a equals to 10 or any value you want to give to two variables, then you want to add the two variables and print the sum of the two variables. Like this also you can do it. Or together many variables, I want to initialize it and then I want to print it. So these tasks one by one, like suppose I am doing here only a equals to 10 I have given, or 20 I have given, then b equals to 30 I have given, and I want to print a plus b, so I am printing here a plus b. Now you will see it will print 20 plus 30, that is 50. Clear? So addition of two numbers you can do it. Next is, suppose many variables you want to declare at a time and then you want to print it together. Suppose in this only I am declaring many variables at a time, a comma b comma c comma d comma e. 5 variables I am declaring with any value. It can be, sorry, this should be with comma, by mistake I have given. Now 5 variables you have declared, so 5 values also you have to give here, otherwise it will show error. Now when I will press enter, now if I want to see the value of any one variable will not be in double quotes, like print e I am giving. Now e value is the last one, that is 9, so it will print 9. And if I want to see all the values, all the variables, then a comma b comma c comma d comma e, now it will show all the values. Clear? Now you can use these values also, like suppose you want to print a plus e. Now suppose I am printing here a plus c, a plus e. Now what it will do, what is a? A is 4, e is 9. So it will print 4 plus 9. So it will print 13. Clear? Like this you can do any calculations using these variables. These variables you have already given the values. So this is interactive mode. I am using interactive mode now. Next, output formatting. That is, you can change the output as you want to see. Suppose c is equal to a plus b. Now I can write here the addition of a and b is c, or I can write the addition of, now a is a variable, if I write it outside then it will show value of a, that is 10, and b is outside double quotes, it will show value of b. So in the previous one it is showing a and b only, in the next one it will show 10 and 20 is 30. Clear? So this program, when I will execute it, in, ideally you can execute, or in script mode you can simply do file new and you can type your program, and then for running here you have to use a file name. So I have given a file name. Now you can see the format of the outputs here. When your program was written, now see 3 lines and output how it is showing. The addition of a and b is c. It is showing same. Addition of a and b is 30. Second one, a is without double quotes and b is also without double quotes. So here the output you can see the addition of 10 and 20 is 30. So in place of a, since it is a variable, if you write without double quotes, the value of that variable will be displayed. So here you can see the value of the variable is displayed. Next is here, now %d, this is the old method. These days we are not using this method. Now here you can mention what is the first person, what is the second person, and what is the third person. The first one is a value of a, second one is value of b, and third one is value of c. So here you can see the addition of 10 and 20 is 30. So this is your script mode, the program it will execute and it will show the output. Next, name is XYZ and age is 26, salary is this much. Now here the age of the first one you have given is the second one and salary is this, and here you have given all the three. So first it will take the name, then it will take the age, and then it will take the salary. So you can see here the output also. They have shown here how the output will be displayed. So these one by one you just go through this. I will share with you this note and you just keep on typing in Pydroid and checking it what it is showing. Now name equals to input. If you want ask the user to enter the name, like normally programs will be user friendly. So I have given here name equals to input. I am asking the user what is your name, and then I am printing the name, whatever the user will enter. Suppose you are entering your name, it will show your name. Clear? Second method is a prompt is given. This is without prompt, nothing it is displaying, only it will wait, the cursor will wait. You will type your name and it will show. In the second case, I am showing one message here, a prompt, enter your name. So it is showing my name is this. Clear? I will show it also. Programming I will do and I will show it to you. So this is your program. Now when you are running, it will not show anything. This is your execution window. Now you can see no message is shown here. Now here if you are typing your name, clear, suppose any of your name is being typed here. Now when you will press enter, it is showing the name. But if the second program, we will show the prompt, that is enter your name. This we are showing. We are showing the prompt. Now it will show enter your name. Like first one it was showing directly. So second one I am typing and I am executing it. The same program I am executing it. Enter your name, maybe the double quotes while copying it was, yes, now it is correct. Little bit typing mistakes also. Now you can see any name, suppose ABC I have given, this was without prompt, and the second one it is asking you enter your name. Now this is with prompt. So same name if I give, or XYZ, any other name if I give, now what it will do is it will show here my name is XYZ, because in this prompt you can see print my name is, then name I have written. Previously I haven't given any message, directly it was showing the name, but now I have given a message and it is showing the name. So this is one more method, that is with a message you can show the name. Now accepting formatted input, you are asking the user to enter some formatted input, means some numbers which is converted into integer. Then the second number it is converted into float. Float means in decimal number. So you can see the output here, like this is the output. Enter any number, user is entering 10. So it is converting into an integer value without decimal. Second number is enter any float number, any decimal number. It is converted into a decimal number using this float syntax. Float input, enter any float number, will convert any number to float. And then print, it is printing with this message, entered integer is A, entered in number is B. So now you start with your programming. So first thing is, you have already seen that how any message is to be printed. Now we will start slowly with the other things, that is you will type here. First is any message you have already typed. Now we will type some values we will take, and we will do the addition, subtraction, multiplication. So directly also using print command I can add two numbers like 2 plus 3. When you will select enter, it is showing 5. Or you can write here a comma b equals to 2 comma 3, and then you are printing, sorry, a comma b it should be, I have written there a dot b. So if you make any mistake, now you will see it is showing some error message. So go through the error message. Slowly you will learn how to remove the errors. Now here a dot b if I write, that means dot means of a module of a, means it is a b of a. Now what is a does not know. So it is showing here name a is not defined. Clear? So next I am correcting my program. So 2 comma 3, and now if I print here a plus b, then again it will show here 5. So this is a second method. Anybody who can tell here, print in double quotes, if I write a plus b, what it will show?
A plus B. It will simply print A plus A and B.
AB,
A and
yes. It is a string, so it will simply write here AB. Clear? So without double quotes means these are a variables, and string means as it is it will take, and plus is used to join two text, two string. So here it is joining the two text, two string, and it is showing. Same way if you want to do the subtraction, then directly you can use your minus sign and you can show the output. So here A is 2, B is 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now we will start with the programming, that is script mode we are going to use now. Now in script mode I can write the whole program. Suppose I am writing here a comma b equals to 2 comma 3, and then I am printing all the operations, mathematical operations like a plus b, then a minus b. In this you can copy paste also, so I am just copying it and I am pasting it here for all the operations, mathematical operation as much I know. So here plus I am doing, then the next one minus I will use, then star is used for product, slash is used for division, double slash is used for, in operators you will do in detail, that is double slash is used for float division, that is only the integer part will be displayed. Then for modulus I will use percent sign, that is remainder it will show, and the last one I will use for to the power, double star is used. So now when I will execute it, here in script mode always you have to save it. Now you can see the output here. First one was a plus b, so it was showing here first output is 5. You can see here the outputs, it is showing here 5. Second output is a minus b minus 6. Third is a into b, 3 to the 6. Then the divisible, that is after dividing it is 0.66. Now when you divide 2 by 3, the floor division is 0. So you can see here 0 is there, so that will be there. Modulus is the remainder. When you divide 2 by 3, what is the remainder? 3, 0, the 0, remainder is 2. So you can see here 2 is the remainder. Then 2 to the power 3, the last one, this is for to the power, it is called exponentiation operator, to the power. So 2 to the power 3, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Now I want to make it user friendly. User friendly means I want to show the message also. The sum of, then I want to show here a value of a, then comma, and so here again double quotes, string is always written inside double quotes, and B. So B is a variable. Then I am writing here in double quotes is comma. Now you can see this program, you see it. The sum of A, and I want to give some space also. The sum of A and B is, as I have written, the sum of, I have written in capital letter, then and is I have written in small letter, so it will show small letter only. I can type in capital also or in small, any case I can use, but it will show the output in that case. Now this I am copying it from here and I am pasting in all. Sorry, this I am copying it from here, Control C, and I am pasting it all. In all I am pasting, and I will change the message. What message I have to give? As per the task. So you can see I have pasted, Control V I am doing, I am pasting in all. Now the first one was sum, the second one is difference, the third one is product, then after dividing, that is the divisor of this and this, when you divide it, or the ratio of this and this is, so anything you can write here. Then the floor division is this, or only the quotient if you are showing. Then the remainder if you are showing, remainder is this, and last one is the power of this and this, or the exponent of this and this. Now when you are running this program, what happens is it is showing the output which is user friendly. The sum of 2 and 3 is, this I should have written is here. Let me change it, otherwise it is showing wrong. So it will show with the message, so it is very easy to understand, because you are a programmer, you will design the program for others. For a company you will design, for a project. Now your apps, your games will be played by others. So here when you are doing it, it is user friendly, it should be user friendly. So you can see here the sum of 2 and 3 is 5, the difference of 2 and 3 is -1, so it is user friendly. Now but I am taking the inputs not from the user. So what I will do is I will take the input from the user, integer inputs I am taking now. So I have written here int input, enter any first number, enter a first number and enter a second number. So I have, with a prompt I am taking the two inputs from the user. So here A and B I have taken from the user and enter the second number. Now when you will execute it, it will ask the user to enter any two numbers. Now suppose this is your output, enter the first number, you can see here, suppose 20 I have given, and then enter the second number, suppose 4 I have given. Now you can see the sum of 20 and 4 is 24, the difference of 20 and 4 is 16, product is 80, ratio is 5.0, quotient is 5, remainder is 0, exponent is 1,60,000. Clear? So this is user friendly. means it is asking the user to enter any time. You can run this program any different numbers. Like again, I am running the program. Instead of 20 and 4, I have given 9 and 2. Enter 2. Now you can see it is showing 9 plus 2 is 11. 9 minus 2 is 7. So the as per the user's input, it is showing the output. So this is called user friendly. Now like this, all the programs, I will give you the list of programs where you can do any type of calculation and you can display. Suppose the question is that calculate the interest from principal, rate and time, or calculate a bonus given to an employee. Suppose 5% bonus is given to the salary of employee, so calculate it. Or suppose cost of painting a wall, cost of tiling a swimming pool, or a room, how cost of painting a room. So all these questions you can solve very easily. Computer will solve it, only you have to write the program. So suppose one program I am showing you, then I will share with you the list. So one program is, suppose you are having the salary. You have asked the user that what is the salary. So salary can be in decimal. So float I am writing here for decimal numbers. And input, enter your salary. I will write enter your salary. Then suppose a festival bonus is to be given, 10% bonus. So in question paper it is already given, a 10% bonus is given. So what I will do is, in the salary I can add, or directly you calculate the bonus first. 10% bonus means 10 upon 100 you can write, or directly you can write 10. I have to use the virtual keyboard. So for 10%, yes, now of the salary, so here sal I am writing here, then I am calculating the net salary will be equal to the salary plus bonus, because it is a festival bonus. So B variable I have taken here, and I am printing here the message that your net salary this month will be net. So final salary or the net salary is now you can print the salary here only, or below next line also you can print it. So net is having the salary. Now net I have used. So when you will run the program, you can see here you have to save it, and then now you can see it will ask what is your salary. Enter your salary. Suppose your salary is 10,000 or 20,000. Now it is showing your net salary is 22,000 with bonus. With this B bonus, because it is 10% bonus you are getting because of the festival bonus, and now your salary has increased to 22,000. Clear? So like this, I will share you the list of all the programs which you can do very easily. If you have any doubt in any